Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ilhan and I'm 9 years old. So for today's video, I'm going to be solving my Rubik's Cube and challenging my older brother and sister. Basically, my brother is the best cube solver inside our family. My brother will be doubling his time and seeing whether we can solve it faster than him if he doubles his time. So now I'm going to be playing against my brother. 3, 2, 1, go. Crap, I'm nervous. No way.
Yes.
Directly 1 minute.
Exactly. Oh my god, that's exact.
Can do it. That's why the lifting my career.
That was fun. You won. Ah. Hey. Oh my god. I missed my first hit. Come on, no, 45. 45. Nah, man, he won. 10 seconds now. Ah, man.
There's a 2 PRL there and it works very good. I finally beat this guy. I beat this guy for one. Adis.
Can you tell me?
She sucked.
But I think very long because
I should take very long.
no, I think very long because I'm not used to this method. Then after that, like I never do this method before. Then I also haven't practiced a lot of times.
Then you should.
Yeah, but I never. I mean, I did, but like I'm still quite slow. So you can't.
Then more. Do it more.
I've been doing a lot. I've been doing it at night. Wait.
What I
Oh shoot!
do, right?
Wait.
PRL doesn't work on this.
Why is it so? Oh, by the time it's like so slow. I beat you, Lazar. Okay, your turn.
I wasn't even playing for real, by the way. I won, even shit, the different scramble. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and my sister's channel, Sang Naila Utama. Bye!